Hello my dear friends, once again welcome all of you in our PM online channel. Today we start our next chapter of mathematics and it is chapter number 5, expansion formulae. Before that we have to revise some formulae which you have already studied in your previous classes, and in which our first formula is a plus b bracket square. We know that a plus b bracket square is nothing but square of first term, that is a square, plus 2 into first term into second term, that is 2 into ab, plus square of last term or second term, that is b square. So the formula of a plus bracket b square is nothing but a square plus twice ab plus b square. Similarly, so our second formula is a minus b bracket square. We know that a minus b bracket square is nothing but a square minus twice ab plus b square. And our third and important formula is a square minus b square. What is the formula of a square minus b square? That is a plus b into a minus b. Now here we have given one simple activity on the basis of this formula. Our activity is fill proper terms in the following boxes. Here we have to fill these following boxes by using these formulas, in which our first activity is x plus 2y bracket square. Now here we have given first term and last term, and we have to fill this middle term by using our first formula a plus b bracket square. So let us solve this activity. Here x square is given plus middle term. What is our middle term in a plus b bracket square? 2 into ab, that is 2 into first term into second term. So here also 2 into our first term is x and second term is 2y. So 2 into x into 2y. 2 into x into 2y is 2 into 2, 4 x into y, xy. So our middle term is 4xy. Now similarly, second activity is 2x minus 5y bracket square. Here middle term is given and first and last term is missing, and it is very simple. Which formula is applicable here? Second formula, a minus b bracket square. So let us apply this formula. First term is missing. What is our first term? A square, that is square of first term. So square of first term is 2x bracket square. Square of 2 is 4 and square of x is x square. So our first term is 4x square. Then second term is already given minus 20xy, and our third term is plus, what is here last term here? B square, that is square of second term. So square of second term, that is 5y square. What is the square of 5? That is 25, and square of y is y square. So our required term is 4x square minus 2xy, 4x square minus 20xy plus 25y square. Then our third and last activity is 101 bracket square. Friends, here first we have to split this 101 into 100 plus 1, and now we can easily apply this formula a plus b bracket square to this 100 plus 1 bracket square. So let us apply this formula to 100 plus 1 bracket square. What is our formula? A square. Here square of first term, that is 100 square. What is square of 100? 1000. So write 1000 here. Then second term is also missing. What is our second term? 2 into a into b. So 2 into, what is a here? 100, and b, what is b? 1. So we get here 200. So our second term is 200 and last term is 1 square, and we know that 1 square is 1. Now add 10,000 plus 200 plus 1, so that we get here 10,201. Simple. activity is 98 bracket square. First we have to split this 98 as 100 minus 2 bracket square. Now we can easily apply this a minus b bracket square to 100 minus 2 bracket square. Here first term is given, that is 10,000, which is the square of 100. Then our second term is minus 2 into first term into second term, that is minus 2 into first term 100 into second term 2. If we multiply 2 into 100, 200 into 2, 400. So we get here 400. So our middle term is 400. And last term, what is last term here? B square, that is square of second term. And here second term is 2. So square of second term, that is 2 square is 4. Now first we have to subtract this 400 from this 10,000. If we subtract 400 from 10,000, then we get here 9,000. So we get here 9,600. If we subtract this 400 from 10,000, then we get 9,600 plus these 4. So we get here 9,604, and hence our final answer is 9,604. Our last activity is 5m plus 3n, 5m minus 3n. Here, which formula is applicable? This formula is, last formula is applicable here. A plus b, a minus b. And what is the formula of a plus b, a minus b? A square minus b square. In the same manner, we have given 5m plus 3n, 5m minus 3n. So square of first term is common here. Here also first term is common. So we take here square of first term. So what is the square of first term? 5m square, bracket square. Okay. Then our second term is minus square of second term. Second term is also common here. Similarly, second term is common. So minus square of second term, that is minus 3n bracket square. Now what is the square of 5m? Square of 5 is 25. And square of m is m square. So our first term is 25 m square. And here square of 3 is 9. And square of n is n square. So our final answer is 25 m square minus 9n square. Then our first and very important topic of this chapter is expansion of x plus a into x plus b. Friends, to find the expansion of x plus a into x plus b, we have to multiply these two binomials x plus a and x plus b, which you have already studied in your previous classes. So let us multiply these two binomials. To multiply, first we have to multiply this x to this whole bracket, that is x plus b, plus, as plus is here, so we take here plus sign, multiply this a to second bracket, a into x plus b. Now x into x, x square, plus x into b, xb, plus a into x, ax, plus a into b, plus ab. Now something is common in this middle term. What is common? X is common. So let us separate this x from middle term, so that we get x square plus b plus a into x. As x is common, so we take common from these two terms. So we get here b plus a into x plus ab as it is. We can also write this formula as x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So this is our required expansion of x plus a into x plus b. Friends, now we can easily solve the examples on the expansion of x plus a into x plus b by using this formula. For example, x plus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to, use this formula to solve this example. Here x is common, here x is common, so we take x square plus a plus b. What is the value of a here? 2, and value of b is 3. So 2 plus 3 into x plus a into b. A is 2, b is 3. So 2 into 3. So x square as it is, plus 2 plus 3 is 5 into x, that is 5x, plus 2 into 3, 6. So our answer is x square plus 5x plus 6. Friends, let us solve our practice set 5.1, and in which our first question is expand. And our first example is a plus 2 into a minus 1. Here we have to expand this a plus 2 into a minus 1 by using this formula of expansion. So let us solve this example. As x is replaced by a, so we take a square plus a plus b. What is the value of a? Value of a is 2, and value of b is minus 1. So here plus in bracket minus 1 into x. X is replaced by a, so we take a plus a into b. A is 2 and b is minus 1. So 2 into minus 1. Now a square is as it is, plus 2 plus into minus minus. So 2 minus 1 into a plus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Now a square as it is, plus 2 minus 1, 1 into a, plus into minus, minus, and 2 as it is. So our expansion is a square plus a minus 2. Then our next example is m minus 4 into m plus 6. Here x is replaced by m, so we take m square plus a plus b. What is the value of a? Minus 4. So minus 4 plus value of b is 6. So b into m plus a into b, that is minus 4 into 6. Then m square as it is, plus minus 4 plus 6, that is 6 minus 4 is 2, and m. So 2m plus minus 4 into 6 is minus 24. Now m square as it is plus 2m as it is, plus into minus, minus, and 24 as it is. So our expansion is m square plus 2m minus 24. This example is 3x plus 4y into 3x plus 5y. Friends, here x is replaced by 3x, a is replaced by 4y, and b is replaced by 5y. So let us apply this formula to this example, so that we get here x square means 3x square plus a plus b, that is 4y plus 5y into x. X is 3x plus a into b. What is a? A is 4y and b is 5y. So 3x square plus 4y plus 5y into 3x plus 4y into 5y. Therefore, what is square of 3x? Square of 3 is 9. Square of x is x square. So 9x square plus 5 plus 5y means 9y into 3x as it is, plus 4y into 5y means 4 into 5, 20, y into y square. Therefore, we get 9x square as it is, plus, now we have to multiply this middle term, that is 9y into 3x. So 9 into 3, 27, y into x, yx, or we can also write it as xy. So 27xy plus 20y square, and hence our expansion of this example is 9x square plus 27xy plus 20y square. Example is m plus 2 upon 3 into m minus 7 upon 3. Friends, here also x is replaced by m, A is replaced by 2 upon 3 and B is replaced by minus 7 upon 3. So let us apply this formula. So first we get here m square as x is replaced by m. So we take here m square plus a plus b. What is A? A is 2 upon 3 plus what is B? B is minus 7 upon 3 into x. X is m here plus A into B. What is A? Again 2 upon 3 into 7 minus 7 upon 3. Therefore, m square is m square plus here 2 upon 3 as it is. Now plus into minus, minus, so we take here minus 7 upon 3 into m as it is plus. Now here 2 into minus 7 minus 14 and multiplication of denominators 9 into 3 into 3 9. Therefore m square plus, now here denominators are same, so we have to just subtract their numerators, that is 2 minus 7 upon 3 into m plus minus 14 upon 9 as it is. Therefore m square plus 2 minus 7 minus 5 upon 3 into m, here plus into minus, again minus, so minus 14 upon 9. Therefore m square, here also plus into minus, minus, so 5 upon 3 m minus 14 upon 9. So our expansion is m square minus 5 upon 3m minus 14 upon 9. And friends, now you can easily solve the remaining examples of our practice set.